Good morning. We're going to start our lesson today on fractions with a number talk. And I'm going to put our equation on the board and you're going to solve it. Remember the hand signals and we'll get started.
I think you need another. No, I think you can often just.
I think like it needs language and height though.
Yeah, I blew it because when I did the problem, I was taking away exactly how big it is. So I got that 7 and 7 8. So like, oh yeah, it'll fit no problem.
No, but it happened for 10.
Yeah.
No, but
I don't know.
you just
Well, that's why I saw her, so I'm like, shit, one then like.
No, yours is actually right.
I don't know. You did a really good job working with us.
Yeah,
it was really good. You asked
he
really good
usually gets
questions.
more concerned about how you respond to it and how
Yeah.
get it done.
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay.
I was really confused.
No, even when I was reading the problem, I was confusing myself. It was way too long.
Why would you want one of these? That's alright.
Okay. So we all have our thumbs up, so we all have a strategy. Does anyone want to talk about what they use, how they use their model to solve the problem? Okay.
I used the area model.
Didn't really get any bigger though.
So what I did was I did 3 rows with 6 columns.
Okay, you want to start it for me?
Yeah.
Sorry. I think it takes me longer than 3 seconds to walk places.
Okay.
Yeah. Good morning, class. So today we're going to continue working
So
on
then first I
fractions.
shaded in
We're gonna work
2
on
6,
the speech view
so I
problem
knew
throughout the day.
that
But for right now, I
2
just wanna
6 would have to
concentrate
be
on the first one.
yep, just like that, 6 blocks. So I shaded in that, and then I shaded in 2/3,
So we're just going to take a quick
which
second
was
to
I knew
read
had to
this
be
problem
2
together.
whole rows.
Including names.
Yep,
How many
yep, I did the first 2.
180
So then I counted up the blocks, and so I got 18 blocks shaded in over 18 blocks altogether.
Awesome.
And then so then I just simplified that and made it 1.
Same?
Yep, same.
Okay,
Is anyone
great.
anything different?
Nice job.
Same.
So now we're going to get into our main problem. It's the first. And I'm going to give you guys some Skittles that may or may not help you. You can use them or any other strategies that you see. So we're going to start by reading the problem together. Molly has a bag of 30 Skittles. She gave her friend 2/3 of them. How many Skittles does Molly have now?
I did it very similar. I thought about it that I would just have to multiply 1/8 times 8 to get 1 cup. Because 8/8 is 1 cup. Okay?
Yep.
But I think if you multiply 1/8, it actually gets.
So Katie, you're going to use the Skittles.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, but
So
that makes sense. Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
what I did was
So I knew that 8/8 would be
so
one
she
whole,
has
so I
30
just
Skittles
kept on adding
altogether,
1/8
and
up
then
until I got to
she gave her friend 2/3 of them. So in my head, I was thinking 30 divided by 3, which was 10. So what I did was I separated the Skittles into 3 groups of 10,
Yep.
and so I think 2/3 would be 2 groups.
So using your model, which is great.
Mhm.
Did you come up with an answer?
Yes.
Okay, and we'll get back to
Yep.
that.
Did you equal what?
I did the same.
Mm-hmm.
I knew that
Perfect.
30, three groups of 30
So now we're
equally
gonna
could
jump
be 10,
into a little
10,
bit of a
10.
bigger problem.
So I separated them 10. So I
So
know
we
that
can, again, read this all
2/3 of
together.
them are here. So she gave these away.
Chris
And then the rest
and
are
Mary
here.
are baking a cake for Ross's birthday. The recipe calls
So I didn't use the
for 2
Skittles,
cups
I
of
did an
flour.
area model.
Chris only
I knew
has
that,
1/4
3
measuring
times
cup.
10
Mary
is
only
30,
has
so
1
I did
half
3 rows with 10 columns, and I colored in the top 2 rows, which were the 20 that you gave to the friend.
Okay,
And
so what is this problem
30
asking?
minus 20 is 10, so that's how many were left over for Molly.
Okay, so you all have an answer. So
it's trying to
since
see
Katie and Erin have the same answer, do either of you want to kind of walk
Okay,
everyone
awesome.
through
So
how
I'm
you
gonna
did
give
it,
you
and I'll
guys,
just
some
draw as you
actual
talk.
measuring cups that you can use to solve this problem.
So the way I did it was once I saw in the problem that she gave her friend 2/3, so I thought of it as 30 divided by 3. And so that's how I knew to group the Skittles into 3 groups of 10.
So I drew out what I needed, so this is a cup and this is a cup.
Okay.
And then Mary only has half cups, so
Mhm.
she will need 4 of these half cups.
Okay.
But then I'm gonna draw out how many of these quarters you need.
And so from there, I knew that 1/3 just had to be 1 group of Skittles. So if she gave her friend 2/3, then it had to be 2 groups of Skittles, which altogether was 20.
So this would be, she gave her friend that.
Yep.
So
And then
I drew out
what
the
is Mary-
whole
or what is
two
Molly
cups,
left
and
with?
then from there I like
20
separated them
Skittles.
into 1/4 and 1/2.
Mhm.
And then
Or
I
no,
had
I'm sorry,
to
10
count
Skittles.
like
Yep.
1/4 with like the
And
2
that's
cups,
what
and then how many
Molly has
halves
left.
of
Mhm.
each cups.
Okay, awesome.
Great. Okay. Chris,
Well, I'm doing the same thing.
you
Like,
have a
I'm
different
adding
one
up the
than
halves,
Erin and Katie.
and
Did
then
you
the
want
2
to
cups,
talk about
would
that?
be 4 1/2
I basically just did the area model where it had 10 columns going across.
Yeah, quarter cups, yeah.
Okay, like how you turned it into a addition problem, that's easier for you. Okay, did everyone have
and 3
answers?
going, 3 rows
Okay,
going.
Oh, okay.
So what I would
Flip
like you
yours.
guys to
No,
do
that's the way.
is if you
Sorry.
could actually just, since there's only 3 of
10
you guys,
columns and 3
I'll
rows.
come up like simultaneously and just kind of share your thinking
And
so
then
we
I
can
just
all look at
colored
it as a
in
class.
the top 2 rows because I knew that was
Kind of grab your
2/3,
little section of the board.
and that represented 20 Skittles.
Yep.
And then I knew there were 10 left over, so that was Molly's portion.
Okay. Great. So you all have the same answer. So now we'll move on to our wrap up, where I'm going to have you guys create your own addition or subtraction problem using the fractions 1/4 and 1/2. So just come up with like a quick problem and then your answer.
Okay, so I just want to kind of start with Shannon's problem here. What do you guys notice about her method? What do you wonder about it? Just kind of any thoughts on it? Yep.
I like how she actually drew it as cups.
Does anyone want to
Yeah.
just briefly read their problem
It's
and
like
then give an
problems
answer?
all about cups, she drew it
And then we
as
can all
cups.
see if we
Yeah,
all
it's
have the
definitely
same
a really
answer.
good
Good
model.
way to visualize it.
My problem was combine a quarter cup
So
of
yeah, I
sugar
really-
and
I
a
agree
half
with you,
cup
Mike. I
of
really like
flour,
that,
how much powder is all
She
together.
drew out the visual
So,
model.
and then I
It's
just
easy for
did,
everyone to see.
I drew an area model
However,
with
Matt's
boxes.
notice